Hey guys, today we are unboxing our machine tool organizer. I'm excited. I'm really excited about this because I need somewhere nice and neat to store all of my, let me show you. So this is all that I have here. And they're all gonna fit into here. So now with this, you have all of your tools and all of the tips for the quick swap system. They're going to be readily available right at your fingertips. Now you're not gonna lose anything. Everything is gonna be organized. You know, sometimes our craft room can get a little chaotic and a little crazy, especially me. So this is the way for us to keep everything neat. And also it looks so good. Now, usually I have them just in a drawer. So when I put my hand in here, there's times, you know, you can be poked by these. So this is also a safe way to store your things. Look at it, look at it. How cute is this? So it can hold up to 10. You just twist that off. And place your tips in here. How cute is that? And it holds 9. Now I can find everything in one place. It can be stored and it can sit right next to your machine. So as you can see, this top, the cap, it just twists off. Isn't that lovely? And then this piece here, you just put everybody nice and neatly in there. Look at that. And you just cap it off. Now you're not losing anything. Everything is all together. This will protect you from damaging your products, especially just throwing them in a drawer. Also from dust, because sometimes when I come, I usually dust my craft room at least twice a week. This is $29.99. You could find it on Cricut.com and other retailers as well. And like most Cricut products, I'm in love. You guys know me already. I love. Look at how cute it is. So very, see, easy twist off. So everything is right here and it's at your fingertips. And it's the pop top. I don't know about you, but I will highly recommend getting this. I actually ordered a second one. Why? Because I'm Shondell, you know, those are the things I do. And as time goes on, I will be collecting more. I like to usually have more than one of each product just in case. But with this, you know, I'm not losing it. Things are all over the place. Before, some of these were in a drawer. Some of these were in a little container. Now everybody is all together. And I can always find them. How cute. Like, seriously, how cute.